Today I'm gonna smoke some lake trout. So I caught some lake trout yesterday on Lake Superior. Went from Duluth side from McQuaid's out to the border to Wisconsin, fished the Wisconsin side. Lost one nice fish, caught 2 lake trout. This was a smaller lake trout. Its meat is a little whiter. They look like 2 different species. I'm pretty sure they are. This is the bigger one. What I did is I put kosher salt all over these, fresh cracked black pepper, and then some common sugar and some brown sugar. These have been sitting overnight for probably 14-15 hours. So I'm gonna put them out on a gas smoker and see how they turn out. I was gonna do half salt and pepper and half kind of candied. I decided just do them all sugary and see how I like that. I haven't decided on what kind of wood to use yet. I think I have apple, hickory, mesquite. I think that's the 3 I have. I'm probably gonna go with mesquite. It's my favorite. Anyways, I'll show you that when I'm done. And then, as you can see, I put plastic wrap over the top of them while they sat in the fridge. I did drain them, and this fluid that's in here now is just rendered from them sitting. So I decided to use hickory instead of mesquite. So I got 2 bags of it. And put it in this bowl that soaked for half an hour, get it all nice, moist and wet. Stick it in the smoker and let it get some rolling smoke going. And then we'll add the fish. Alright, so we got the water added, sit and wait. We'll set up the smoker, add the propane. What you hear in the background is just make some bread, the bread maker. Alright, we got some trout smoking. Hickory. It's just getting going. I put it on foil so that it doesn't get hooked onto the racks. So we got about 180 degrees, 190 degrees. I'm gonna go for another hour or 2. See what it looks like. Here's the second batch inside. This first batch after it cooled for a bit. There you go. If you can name those lake trout, let me know. Maybe one was a lean. I don't know what the other names are, but I think there's like 4 or 5 names of lake trout that Lake Superior has, but these ones are red, those ones are white. I know there's a red fin one, but hope you like this. Thanks for watching.